While it's important to act quickly in a fire emergency, there are several things you should do before you reach for a fire extinguisher. First, make sure the fire alarm has been activated or pull it yourself. Then help other people to start evacuating the area, especially anyone who has been injured. And close nearby doors and windows that could feed the fire with oxygen. A large fire, or one that has spread into ceilings or walls, may already be too dangerous for you to fight. Smoky fires can be very hazardous as well. Smoke inhalation kills more people than flames do. In these cases, you should leave the area and let professional firefighters handle things. But if you feel that it's safe to try and combat a fire, grab the closest extinguisher and check its label to make sure it's the right type to use in the situation. Make sure that you have a clear escape route in case you need one. Position yourself within the effective range that is marked on the extinguisher's label. For most dry chemical ABC extinguishers, it will be about 6 to 8 feet. Hold the extinguisher upright. Even under the stress of fighting a fire, you can make sure you use the extinguisher correctly by remembering the word PASS. It spells out the 4 steps you should take. Pull the extinguisher's pin. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the trigger. And sweep from side to side with a slow, steady motion. Remember that retardants cool and smother a fire by working on its fuel. So keep the nozzle of the extinguisher pointed at the base of the fire, not the flames. If you are dealing with flammable liquids, be careful not to splash the spill. That will only cause the fire to spread. As the fire gets smaller, step forward to stay within the extinguisher's effective range. But don't get too close and be careful where you walk. If fighting the fire is creating a lot of smoke, crouch down near the ground. There will be more fresh air there, and it will be easier to see. Most portable dry chemical extinguishers provide about 10 to 15 seconds worth of continuous spraying. Once the extinguisher is empty, leave it in an out-of-the-way area so no one will trip over it. And place the extinguisher on its side so others will not try to use it. Then get yourself to safety, even if the fire appears to have been extinguished.